Hey there, travel lovers. It's Travel Pug. And today, I'm about to drop 5 epic places in the US that you absolutely cannot afford to miss. I'm talking about spots so stunning, you'll be packing your bags before this video even ends. Sound bold? Stick around and see for yourself. Let's dive in. First up, Lake Tahoe. Sitting right on the border of Nevada and California, this place is unreal. It's the second deepest lake in the US at over 1,600 feet. Crazy, right? But it's not just about the stats. The water here is so crystal clear, it feels like you're swimming in a postcard. In summer, Sand Harbor Beach is where it's at, perfect for paddleboarding or just kicking back and soaking in those mountain views. Trust me, you won't want to leave. Next stop, Yosemite National Park. Just a quick 4-hour drive from Lake Tahoe, Yosemite is basically nature's playground. We're talking massive granite cliffs and waterfalls that drop like they're in a superhero movie. Half Dome stands tall at over 5,000 feet. And Yosemite Falls? It's one of the tallest in the world with a drop that'll make your jaw hit the floor. If you love the outdoors, this place is calling your name. Moving on, let's talk about Big Sur along the Pacific Coast Highway. Oh boy, this stretch of coast is a stunner. Imagine driving along cliffs that drop straight into the ocean with views that'll make your Instagram explode. The kind of scenery that makes you just stop. The Bixby Creek Bridge? Yep, you've probably seen it in every California photo ever. And there's a reason why. It's just that beautiful. Now we're off to the California Redwoods. These trees are the tallest around, reaching up to 379 feet. Walking through Jedediah Smith Redwood State Park feels like you've stepped into a giant's backyard. The trees are so massive, you'll be craning your neck just to take it all in. It's like nature's way of showing off, and it's totally worth it. If you want a nature experience that's seriously impressive, the California Redwoods are where it's at. And last, but definitely not least, New York City. You've heard all about it, but until you've actually walked across the Brooklyn Bridge or felt the energy of Times Square, you haven't really felt the magic. From towering skyscrapers, incredible food, and a vibe that's totally unique. If you haven't felt the magic of NYC, you're missing out. So there you have it, 5 amazing places in the US that are begging for a spot on your travel list. Which one are you eyeing first? Drop your fave in the comments below. If you enjoyed this travel inspo, hit that like button, subscribe, and stick around for more adventures. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious with Travel Pug.